This is a quick video on how I completed the EGR monitor and how it completed the drive cycle procedure to get ready for Smog. By going to the drive cycle procedure on your OBD2 scanner, you can find the completed monitors and incomplete monitors. I entered the incomplete monitors. The only incomplete monitor was the EGR. There is a drive cycle procedure here step by step. It was hard to do this procedure because it can be dangerous. I tried it here in Los Angeles, California, but with traffic it's hard. So I looked for another alternative. I read somewhere to drive the car 20 to 35 minutes without stopping, and without stepping on the brake pedal. So I drove from Los Angeles to San Bernardino around 10 a.m. Luckily there was no traffic, and the cars were going 60 to 75 miles per hour. I drove about 45 minutes without stopping. And I drove back to Los Angeles and I did catch some traffic. Going back to Los Angeles, I did use my brake pedal occasionally. After 1 hour and 30 minutes of driving, the EGR monitor was not ready yet. If you like this video so far, give it a like. After driving so far, I used the car locally in my city. After driving exactly 106 miles, the EGR was complete and ready for Smog. I was completely happy the EGR was complete. Finally! Feel free to subscribe for more fascinating insights. Be a subscriber.